Right, the battery's now in there underneath, and it does have, as usual, a bit of charge with it. So we switch it on. Buzzing nicely. There you are. So next stage is to make sure the wires are tucked in, they don't get crimped or crushed, and we'll just put the cover back on all the associated bits to get it restored and in working order again. And then it will be finally for a charge.